Mahatma Gandhi life's journey. Mahatma Gandhi, also known as Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, was born on October 2, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, India. He was a lawyer, social activist, politician and writer who employed non-violent civil disobedience as a means to achieve political and social change. Gandhi is internationally honored for his philosophy of non-violence and his leadership of the Indian independence movement. He is often called Mahatma, which means great soul. Gandhi was born into a Hindu Modh family. He was educated in Porbandar and Rajkot before going to England to study law in 1887. After graduating, he returned to India and began practicing law in Bombay. In 1893, he went to South Africa to represent a Muslim client in a court case. While in South Africa, Gandhi became involved in the struggle of Indian immigrants against racial discrimination. He organized protests and strikes, and he also developed his philosophy of non-violent resistance. In 1915, Gandhi returned to India and soon became involved in the independence movement. He led protests against British goods. He was arrested many times, but he never gave up his non-violent method. In 1947, India finally gained its independence from Britain. Gandhi was disappointed that the British Indian Empire was partitioned into two dominants, a Hindu majority India and a Muslim majority Pakistan. This led to widespread violence between Hindu and Muslim, and Gandhi worked tirelessly to promote peace and understanding. He was assassinated in 1948 by a Hindu nationalist who opposed his views on religious tolerance. Gandhi's legacy is immense. He is considered one of the most important figures in Indian history, and his non-violent method of protest have been used by activists around the world. He is also considered a spiritual leader, and his writings on religion and philosophy are still widely read today. Here are some of the key events in Gandhi's life. In 1869, born in Porbandar, Gujarat, India. In 1887, graduates from law school in England. In 1893, goes to South Africa to represent a Muslim client in a court case. In 19th century, leads a protest against racial discrimination in South Africa. In 1914, returns to India. In 1915, leads a boycott of British goods. 1920, founds the Non-Cooperation Movement. In 1930, leads at Salt March. In 1942, launched the Quit India Movement. In 1947, India gains independence from Britain. In 1948, assassinated by a Hindu extremist on January 30.